3, jump! Yay! Yay! Okay, we're gonna fly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!
Maggie's excited too.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Maggie's going in.
Go! One more big one, one more big one. 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, there goes Maggie.
Woohoo! Now, did you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go see Mom. Let's go see Mom if Mom's 3-hour nap helped her out.
I think a 3-hour nap would help everybody out.
I was tired before, I'm not now.
Yeah, getting in the water helps.
I'm fine. I'd have to remedy that with scotch.
Pina colada.
There you go, kiddo. You dig those things too.
I do, yeah.
I'm getting you a case of Coco Lopez for Christmas.
Maggie. Hi, Maggie.
Maggie.
Maggie Moo, hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby
Hi.
girl.
No? Alright. We're good.
Hey, being shy.
You got a million bug birds on you, honey.